Hello, everyone. OpenAI has officially launched its long-awaited video generator, Sora. Fittingly, 9 months have passed since the first announcement to the project's release, enough time for the idea to mature, evolve, and emerge as a finished product. Sora offers users the ability to generate videos from text prompts, images, and video inputs, alongside advanced editing tools, preset support, and storyboarding capabilities. Can it bring something new to the field of video generation services? Let's find out together. We'll explore Sora's interface, showcase examples of its various tools in action, share prompt tips, and compare this service to similar platforms. To experience Sora's features, head over to the official website at sora.com. We tested its interface on a desktop, but all site features are also accessible on mobile devices. On vertical screens, the service adjusts to their proportions, resembling a convenient and intuitive mobile app. Only users with ChatGPT Plus or Pro accounts can fully access the site, and they do not need an additional subscription for Sora. Simply use the email associated with your ChatGPT account or log in via Google, Microsoft, or Apple. The system will automatically verify your eligibility to use the service. The homepage of the site appears overly minimalist: a logo, a login link, and a few video examples. It seems the developers have yet to complete its full design. After logging in, the interface becomes more engaging. A prompt input panel appears, along with a sidebar featuring the main sections and additional options in the site's header. The sidebar includes several sections, such as Explore, where you can view the latest and recommended works by other Sora users. It also contains a personal library with all your videos and materials used to create them, allowing you to organize content into custom folders. The top panel features the logo, a context-sensitive menu that adapts based on the active page, and a user menu hidden under the profile image. In the user menu, you can change your username, switch between light and dark mode, and, if needed, set your videos to private or restrict their use for AI training. Additionally, this menu provides access to information about your subscription limits, tutorial videos, and a help page. If we're already talking about limits, let's find out how many videos we can create with different types of accounts. For ChatGPT Plus users, with a monthly subscription cost of $20, 1,000 credits are provided. This allows for the creation of up to 50 square videos with a resolution of up to 480p and a duration of 5 seconds. When using other settings, the cost per generation increases. ChatGPT Pro users, on the other hand, pay a significant $200 per month and receive 10,000 credits. The ability to create videos up to 20 seconds long with resolutions up to 1080p, access to an unlimited slow generation mode, and several other perks, including watermark-free downloads. Now that we've established the boundaries of our capabilities, let's focus on the prompt input panel. It accompanies users on almost every page of the platform, subtly encouraging them to give it a try. The panel includes a field for entering text prompts and a button for adding your own media files, images, or videos that can serve as a base for the clip. It also offers a range of settings: preset selection, frame proportions, resolution, duration, and the number of video variations. There's also a separate storyboard button that leads to the storyboard management page. Before starting to create a video, it is essential to be aware of certain limitations of Sora. According to the developers, generating videos with human figures is not yet available to all users. While we managed to obtain some results, many requests involving human imagery ended in errors. Additionally, as with other AI tools, Sora prohibits the creation of content involving violence, explicit material, or depictions of celebrities. In the simplest scenario, creating a video requires only a text prompt. Enter your description into the prompt field. To craft an effective prompt for Sora, focus on themes that work well with the generation model, such as animals, people, or vivid locations. Choose one or two key elements to avoid unnecessary complexity and keep the description concise. Remember, effective prompts for Sora should be short, precise, and centered on the main idea. Formulate your prompt clearly and straightforwardly. The more specific and focused the idea, the better the result will be. Set the video parameters. Keep in mind that adjusting the options may affect the number of credits required for generation. To find out exactly how many credits will be deducted from your balance, hover over the question mark icon. Credits are used up very quickly, so during experimentation, set all video characteristics to the minimum: a 1:1 aspect ratio, the lowest resolution, and a single variant. This is the optimal approach while you are just getting familiar with the service. When everything is ready, click the upward arrow button to start the generation process. Let's be honest, the result leaves much to be desired. Let's try again. This time, we'll focus on creating a video featuring a person. We enter a new prompt, adjust the parameters, and launch the process. Well, this video looks much more impressive. If you want to make the results more predictable, you can upload an image or video as the basis for generation. To do this, click the plus button next to the text input field and select the desired file from your device. After that, just like with regular generation, you can add a text prompt and adjust the settings. As you can see, the style has been preserved, the motion is realistic, but the prompt was only partially fulfilled. Sora's presets can be a valuable tool in achieving your desired outcome. They allow you to conveniently manage the style of your video. The service offers several pre-configured prompt enhancements that can help add the right mood and character to your clips. We created a video with each preset to demonstrate how it works. Balloon World, a bright, cheerful style where all objects look like inflated balloons. Stop Motion, a style with a frame-by-frame animation effect that gives a handcrafted feel. Archival, a retro style with grainy film texture, high contrast, and a nostalgic atmosphere. Film Noir, a dramatic black and white style with deep shadows and a mysterious mood. Cardboard and Paper Craft. Scenes appear as if made from cardboard and paper, with rich textures and folds. If the standard presets don't suit your needs, you can create your own. To do this, click the Manage button in the preset selection menu. Let's create a style inspired by 8-bit games as an example. Click the plus icon and enter the name and description of your preset. If you're unsure how to describe it, refer to the examples of existing styles for inspiration. Once you've entered the details, don't forget to save them. Now, when creating a video, you can apply this style to effortlessly achieve the desired result. Finally, let's explore the Storyboard, a tool designed by Sora's developers to simplify the creation of videos with more complex scenes. To access this feature, click the corresponding button located on the prompt input panel. Here, you will find a timeline for the upcoming video, where you can position key scenes. Each scene can be configured using a text description or media files. A card for the first scene has already been created. Adjust it, then click on an empty space on the timeline to add and describe the next one. Below the timeline, you will see the tools we are already familiar with. Place scenes close to each other for quick transitions, or leave more space between them for a smoother narrative flow. Once all the scenes are configured, click Create to generate the video. Now that you've seen a few examples in this review, what do you think about the quality of the generated videos? We'll share our conclusions at the end, but for now, we invite you to leave your comments and check later if your evaluation matches ours. Depending on the settings and the service's workload, video creation takes anywhere from a few seconds to longer. You can monitor the progress of the video generation at any time by clicking the icon in the top right corner of the page. The final results are saved in the All Videos section of your library, where you can view them. Additionally, extra options become available on the site's top panel. These allow you to mark a video as a favorite, share it, or download it in MP4 format. Using the three-dot menu, you can move the video to a specific folder, report an issue, or delete the file. Below the video, there is a toolbar that allows you to refine or modify your clip. For instance, with the Recut tool, you can trim or extend specific fragments and add new segments. If you'd like to change the mood or style of the video, use Remix, which enables you to add new elements or experiment with visual presentation. The Blend tool helps seamlessly combine different videos. For looping a specific part, the Loop tool is your go-to option. Interestingly, these tools can also be used with public videos from other users, available in the Explore gallery. Sora has entered a market already populated with several similar services. The developers of Sora have undoubtedly done significant work to ensure their product looks impressive. The service operates quickly, the interface is intuitive and user-friendly, and the tools for video customization and editing are well designed. Videos generated by Sora exhibit good visual quality. Vibrant and sharp scenes are pleasing to the eye. However, the overall impression is undermined by issues with physics and realism. Characters or objects may appear or behave oddly, change shapes and structures unpredictably, or interact illogically. The service struggles with accurately handling complex prompts. Requests are often interpreted incorrectly, especially when they require detailed actions or intricate scenes. We had to generate dozens of videos to obtain a few satisfactory examples for this review. When we started making prompts simpler and more precise, the percentage of higher quality videos increased. However, even under these conditions, the results often depend on luck. The presence of watermarks on the videos also seems quite odd, considering that the service is essentially paid. At its current stage of development, Sora cannot be considered a primary tool for video generation. It may serve as an interesting addition for users who already have a ChatGPT subscription, but paying for it solely for video generation purposes seems unreasonable, especially since other services offer equally good, if not better, conditions. By the way, you can find reviews of some of them on our channel. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new videos. Like the video and leave comments with your questions or ideas for future content.